Check now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll start once again. So see, pricing procedure is nothing but to define the condition of the pricing, okay, while generating PO. Okay, so while creating PO, we need to give some pricing condition like PB0, PBXX, okay, and then FRA1, RA01 for discount. So PB00 and PBXX is there, okay. So first step is we need to define the condition table. See, condition table is nothing but is a combination of the different keys or different fields to identify the condition records. Okay, what combinations we are going to use to define the condition table? Like we have vendor, material, purchase organization, purchase group, plan. Okay, any few you can define, and you need to create condition table above 530. So this is the standard. So you need to define the condition table number should be above 530. Then after creating it, you need to define the access sequence. The access sequence is nothing but it is a search strategy that the system, that SAP system uses to find out the valid data for the particular condition type. It is nothing but it is a bridge between condition table and condition type. Okay, where it is going to fetch or search the data. Hmm? Next we have condition type. So condition type, we have different condition types like PB00 for gross price. PBXX is also a gross price, but PBXX is time dependent. Okay, it is a time independent PB00. FRA1 is the price charge. RA01 is the discount. We have many. Okay, just go through it. Next, once we define this, okay, we have to define the calculation schema. So standard calculation schema, we have RM00. So in the implementation project, you have to configure it. You have to create as per the client requirement. Okay. So majority of the client will ask you for the customizing part. So PBXX. Next, we have calculation schema is nothing but, so in calculation schema, you are going to define one schema. You are going to determine one schema, nothing but a formula. So suppose if you have defined the PV00 gross price, and then if you have maintained RA0 discount, that means the discount should be on gross. So that calculation will be done in the calculation schema. Okay. So next, schema group. So schema group should be two. One is schema group for purchase organization. One is schema group for vendor. Okay, you have to define for both. Then you have to assign those schema group for purchase organization and as well as vendor, that I will show you practically in SAP. Then schema determination. So in this, you are going to assign the schema group and purchase organization. Okay. Next, see, once you configure, see, till this schema determination, that is your configuration part. Next, suppose if you want to maintain the condition records, I am telling you condition records. Suppose, see, condition record should be the combination of material and vendor. Suppose if you have maintained the condition record, if you have maintained for particular material and particular specific material and vendor for different records, suppose gross price if you have maintained 200, discount if you have maintained 10%, with these combinations, with these condition type, whenever you are creating purchase order PO, so the data will fetch. That I will show you how it will fetch. Okay, so we'll move to practical. Okay, yeah. So we'll open. So old server has been crashed. New server access I have given. Okay, you have to do it from the beginning. So we have SPRO configuration to configure the pricing condition. Go to SPRO, your reference ING, then go to material management. In that material management, same you have to go purchasing. Here you have purchasing. Then you have condition here. Condition, go to condition, then you have here define the price determination process. Click on this. What is the first step? We need to define the condition table. Okay, condition table, all data you have to maintain. So define the condition table. So we have condition table here. Click on this, create condition table. Then I have told you above 530 you have to give. I will give 540 or anything above 530. Press enter. See, it is available. So on which combinations you have to give? You have to create material, plant, anything. Okay. So go down. You have material, double click on this, it will come here. Here you are going to maintain the combination. Then go to purchase organization. Then you can make it for vendor and plant. Vendor, where is plant? Plant here we have. Okay, 4 combinations. So remember this: material, purchase organization, vendor, plant. Here you need to click on generate. It will generate the, see, you are getting a warning. Just press enter. Press enter. So click on it. Do you want to generate the condition table? Yes. Okay. So here you need to click on local object. Don't click on save. Click on local object. Once you click on local object, so the condition table will generate, will save. So wait for a while. It will take time to fetch. Yeah. See here. Table A540 has been saved. So once you generate A, so you will get it A540. This is your condition table. You have to save it here. A540, and you have condition table is 540 also. You just save it. Fine. Just go back. So 540 we have created. Go back. So next step is you have to define the access sequence. Okay, you have to maintain the access sequence here. So here you have access sequence. Click on this. So give right mark. The access sequence, if you define the access sequence, the access sequence will fetch your data. So here you need to click on new entry. We are going to configuring, right? So click on new entry. So what is your access sequence? A540. Okay, just press enter. Once you press enter, again you have to press, see here, yellow color icon you are getting, that means warning. Just press enter. Okay, so see here, it is taking now. Here you can give Jindal access sequence. Okay, so then click on this line item, click on the access. See, just press enter. So here you are getting warning, press enter. See here. Here you need to give which access number you have to give. Click on new entry. Here you can give any number. That is the step number, access number. Okay. So here you have to give your 540 access condition table number. Okay. Once you press enter, whatever the combinations you have given, so that will fetch. Again press enter. See here. So if you are getting yellow color warning means continuously press enter until it gets. Okay. So here material, purchase order, vendor, plan. So these combinations we have got. Then again you need to click on this line item, double click on this field. So once you double click on this field, just press enter. See, these are all the combinations you are getting. Material. So this is the document field. So this is EKORG, that is purchase organization field name. Vendor, WRKS is the field name for plant. Okay, just save it. Okay, we have saved here. Here it is asking to create new. Okay, here I will give Jindal pricing procedure. Press enter. See here, the request number has been generated. Just save it. Okay, go back. So here you just give 5 40 as access number, access sequence. Okay. Then, so what is the next step? So next step is you need to define the condition types. So how to define the condition types? Here you have the condition type. We have several condition type. Go to define condition type. So whichever you want, you just fetch it. As of now, I will search PB00. To copy this. We are creating our own. We are configuring as per the client requirement. Click on this. Copy as. Rename here. JI00. I will give JI00. Here you can give Jindal gross price. Okay. So one more thing you have to remember here, access sequence you have to give. Click on this. So if it has been created, it will fetch automatically. So here you will get automatically. So what is your access sequence number? A540. Here, Jindal access sequence. Okay. Then press enter. Don't do anything here. Okay. So press enter. It has been saved and click on save button. See, JI00 has been created. Gross price JI00. Okay. Then we will go to discount on net. We will create discount on gross because we have maintained gross price, right? Okay. Discount on gross. What is that? RA01. RA01. So here you have, just select this, click on copy. Here you can give JI01. Here you can give Jindal discount on gross. Here you have to give A540. Press enter. See, it has been created and just save it. Here you have to give JI01. JI01. Next, FRA1 freight charges. Okay. So we are just creating here FRA1. FRA1. So select FRA1. Charge only. So somebody has changed this freight charge. So select this, you can rename it. Select the line item, go to copy. Here you can give JIA1. That means Jindal Freight. And here you can give A540. Okay, just save it. Go to position, JI. See, here we have got all the three. JIA1. JIA1. Okay. So we have defined the condition types here. Go back. What is the next step? So go back. Next, we have to define the calculation schema. This is very important. You have to understand. Standard, we have RM00, SAP standard. So close this. Go to calculation schema. Here we have calculation schema. So I'll just try to understand you. Standard is RM00. So if you click on this, go to control data. See here, all the condition types has been defined here. See, one I will show you here. Step number is 1, right? Okay. That means it is a gross price. Okay. You can customize this. Already we have created, right? Same thing you can do it. But before that, so here, if you want to enter the gross price manually, you have to click on this manually. But I don't want to type manually the gross price. Okay. Whatever the condition records I will maintain in that. So that same price I need to get. So that's why I'm not doing anything. Don't do anything from your side also. Okay. So go back. So this RM00, I'm selecting the line item. Click on copy. So here you can give JI0000. Here you can give Jindal calculation schema. Okay, here JI00. Okay, see, press enter. See, click on copy all. See here, just go on pressing enter. See all the condition types it is copying. Press enter, 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 enter. Okay, all the items has been created. Just save it. Just save it. Okay. See J00 we have created, but we need to assign this calculation schema with the condition type. How to assign? Just select the line item, go to control data. Here, in place of PB00, you have to define your own what you have created here, custom. Okay. So same J00, J01, JA1. Okay, go to this. So PB00, that is step 1, right? 1 minute. See here. See, calculation scheme I have told you, it calculates the condition types, right? RA01 is a discount on gross, right? Here you are getting from 1 means, so 1 is this one. See, from this gross price and from this gross price. Okay, these two, from these prices, it is going to give discount here, gross. So that calculation, that is the calculation schema. But here in the condition type PB00 we have maintained, right? So click on this. So wherever you have created, you will get it. Find it, JI. So Jindal gross price, JI00. Again, RA01 we have maintained right here. Discount on gross. So select it. Just assign whichever you have created, JI. So that is discount, right? So click on discount. Next, FRA1, right? Where is FRA1? Search it, you'll get it. Wait.
Thank you.
FRA1.
How
FRA1. Where is FRA1? Yeah, FRA1. Just position it. Find it. JI. Here you have price. See? So 3 condition types you have defined and just save it. So the condition type has been calculated with this calculation schema, JI00. Save it. Go back. See, so far we have done with the calculation schema. Next, schema group. Okay. So you have to define the schema group. Here we have defined schema group. First, we need to define the schema group for vendor. Double click on this. Okay. Then you have to click on new entry. So what is your schema? I will give JI itself. Jindal schema group for vendor and just save it. Save it. So for vendor also I have created JI and then go back. Schema group for purchase organization. Double click on this. New entry. JI. Schema group for purchase organization. I will give JIPO itself. Jindal schema group for purchase organization. Save it. Okay. We have created JIPO. Okay. See, we have created this. Next, assignment of schema group to purchase organization. Okay. Double click on this. See here, position. What is your purchase organization? JIPO, right? You need to assign. There is JIPO. Yeah. Here we have JSPO now. Which is our purchase organization? JI. Oh, JSPO. It is JPO. Okay, let it be. I think I forgot to create JIPO. We just see here JSPO. Just position JSPO. Okay. So here, whatever the schema group for purchase organization you have created, na, that you have to assign with purchase organization. Go to this, which is our schema group for purchase organization, JIPO. Just copy this, or else you can search it here also. You will get the JIPO, Jindal schema. So you have to assign this. See, we have assigned. See, observe carefully. So PO schema group for purchase organization, we have assigned with purchase organization. But vendor, we have to assign with vendor, right? Vendor schema group for vendor, we need to assign with the vendor. How to assign that? So if you have, if you go back, so we have done with this. Then go to particular vendor, you have to assign that. So far we have done with schema group. Next, we need to assign pricing procedure. This we will do it later. First, we need to define schema group for vendor with the vendor. Okay. Which vendor? We have so many vendors here. Okay. So I will select this vendor. Just copy this. Go to XK02. Okay. /O XK02. Because if I create a PO with the combination of specific vendor and material, if I want to fetch the pricing condition which I have created in condition records, there it will fetch. If I assign schema group for this vendor, then only it will fetch. So here, just paste it. Company code is JSWL, purchase organization JSPO. Okay. Then click on purchasing. See, you will get in purchasing data, I think so. Press enter. So once you press enter, here you have schema group for vendor. Okay. So whatever the schema group you have created, na. So Jindal schema group. You need to assign. There we have assigned schema group for vendor, schema group for purchase organization to purchase organization. Here schema group for vendor to vendor we have to assign. Okay. Don't forget. See, assign it and save it. See, the data has been changed. See, once we assign the schema group for vendor to vendor and schema group for purchase organization to purchase organization, the last step is schema determination. This is very important. Schema determination. So you will get it here. Schema. See here, what we are going to determine schema calculation schema for standard purchase order. Double click on this. So here you will get schema group for purchase organization, schema group for vendor with pricing procedure. See here. So schema group for vendor is JIPO and schema group for vendor is JI. See? No, where is that? Oh, you have to click new entry. You have to create. Okay. Schema group for vendor JI. This is JIPO. This is JIPO and this is JI and this is JI00 pricing procedure. This is calculation schema. Okay. JI0000. See, we are getting. Press enter. Once you press enter, see. So all the things we have assigned. Save it. Save. So we have done all the configuration part till schema determination. Then see, without maintaining condition record, whatever the pricing conditions you have maintained, na, that will not fetch. You have to maintain the condition records. Okay, I will show you. MEK1 is the T code for that /NMEK1. So once you enter it, here it is asking which condition type to which condition type. So I want for JI. First I will maintain the gross price. So once you create it, press enter. So once you press enter, see, observe carefully here. Here I am maintaining the condition records for specific material and vendor. Wait for a while. See, to which material? Go to this. Material is 701. So here 701 is our material. And one more thing, see here material, which material you have to maintain, so that you can assign it here. Which material you can maintain for this? Suppose if you give this vendor, so that condition records will not take because we have not updated the schema group for vendor. Okay, I will show you that also. So I'll just copy this, whichever I have assigned, and paste it here. Okay. Then see, observe carefully. Here plant, which plant? JSP1. Yeah, Jindal plant 1. Then amount. How much amount? I will give 1000 rupees. Press enter. Once you press enter, see validity you can maintain. How up to how many days this condition records has to be maintained. Okay, just save it. See, we have maintained gross price, right? Next, go back. Here again, we have for JI0, discount we will maintain. So JI01, press enter. So that is discount, right? See, plant JSP1. Then here, if you give 10%, see here, all unit automatically it has taken percentage. Press enter. See, it has taken minus. That means minus 10 indicates the discount. Okay, then save it. So we have maintained the condition record for that. In real time also you have to maintain individually for the JI. What is the next condition? JIA1, freight charge. JIA1, press enter. So here you can give plant. See here we can give 100 rupee as a freight charge. See, 100% it has taken. I will take 10%. See, that means 10% of the amount is the freight charge. Okay, just save it. So we have maintained condition records. Right. Now we will check. Unit testing has to be done. What is the POT code? ME? What? What is the T code for PO?
B21N. 21N.
Okay. So we'll maintain Jindal document type. Then go to vendor. What is our vendor? Vendor. 36,500. So 36,500. Purchase organization JSPO. Purchase room JS1. This is JSWL. Click on overview. And material is 701. 701. So quantity will maintain 100. And see, plant you have to give. Plant is JSP1. Press enter. See, once you press enter, see the price, total net price, it has been taken. See, observe carefully here. If you go to conditions, so what are all the things we have maintained? See, why it is coming cash discount? Let it be this SKTO. Don't worry about that. We have not done anything with that. See here, the net price is in 1000. 10% is the discount, right? Okay. So after discount, it will be 90,000. See here, 90,000. But freight charges is not fetching. We'll check once again. Okay, press enter. So see here, now it is taking. Some technical issue is there. See, after adding 10% of freight charge, the price will be 99,000. Okay, all of you got it now? Any doubts with this? So whenever you are creating a PO with your condition record, you have to maintain condition type. See this, you have to maintain the, sorry, you have to maintain condition record with material and vendor combination. Okay, before, see, don't forget, before maintaining condition record, you have to assign the schema group for vendor to the specific vendor which you have created. All of you got it now? Any doubts? So you just check this. Okay, no messages you are getting. You just click on, you just save it with the message. So this is new in EU. Okay, you just you print output, press enter. See, the partner will fetch. So just save it. Once you save, it will ask the logical destination, that is LP01. Okay, press enter. Go back and just save it. So this is the way how you can save your PO. Just double click on this particular PO and copy this PO. And you have to maintain your PO here. Okay. Any doubts? So if you have any doubts, you can ask. I hope all of you have understood.